Hari Om. Begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Liberation through Renunciation. Chapter 18, Shloka 26. An agent who is free from attachment, non-egoistic, endowed with firmness and enthusiasm, and unaffected by success or failure is called Sattvika, pure.
Chapter 18, Shloka 26. Muktasango nagham vadi dhrityutsaga samanvitaha siddhya siddhyor nirvikaraha karta sattvika uchyate.
Chapter 18, Shloka 26. The three kinds of doers, actors, are described in the following shlokas. The previous shlokas described the three types of knowledge and action. The third of the constituents that goes into the makeup of an action is the doer, the ego that has desire to do. A sattvic actor is the one who is free from attachment and non-egocentric. He has no such false belief that the world outside will bring to him a fulfillment of his existence. Because of the perfect attunement with the infinite, he surrenders his egocentric individuality to the Lord and serves without the I do mentality to do the greatest good to mankind. Because he has no ego and attachment, he can act with firm resolution, dhriti, and great enthusiasm, utsaha, when working on the achievement while pursuing success. He suffers the least dissipation of energies and expresses the possibilities of a fully unfolded human personality. The sattvic agent serves joyously in sattvic actions, guided by his sattvic knowledge, and the world of beings is benefited the most by such a prophet. A sattvic karta never forgets that in all his actions, his body, mind, and intellect come into play and serve the world only because of the Spirit, the infinite, is in contact with them. That all the expressions are of the Spirit. All this is only possible because the vehicles are disciplined and have come to surrender totally to the infinite. A sattvic actor is one who is ever conscious of the touch of the infinite light in all his activities. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.